Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to write our very first program in C++. I want you guys to open up your Visual Studio Code, which we have downloaded and installed in the previous tutorial, and let's create a C++ program. So first thing we need to add in C++ program is preprocessor directives. Preprocessor is nothing but a small program which is going to run before the compilation process. Here we are going to use a preprocessor directive called hash include. Hash include is going to allow us to include the library files or the header files to our program. So I'm going to use hash symbol and then include. Then between this less than and greater than sign, and I'm going to write IOStream. This IOStream is a header file which we want to include to our program so that we can use some objects such as cin, cout, etc., which are going to help us to do some IO task. And the next thing is about specifying the namespace that we are going to use. Namespace is nothing but a declarative region in which various programs elements can be placed. So these namespaces allow us to organize a large program, so don't worry about it right now. We just going to learn more about this in some other tutorials. So just remember that we need to specify the namespace. So I'm going to write using namespace std semicolon. Let me just increase the size. So here all the library functions, library features, whatever available in C++ are placed under this std namespace. So here by using this statement, we are specifying that I am using the program elements declared in this std namespace. And remember to add a semicolon here, just because every statement in C++ ends with the semicolon. And the next thing is about the main function or the starting point where the program starts execution. So in every program there must be a point where the execution starts. In C++ the main function is the one where the execution of program starts. So function is nothing but a collection of statement which we are going to do some particular task, or we can say that these functions are going to contain the action that we want to define in function in C++. First we need to specify what value this function is going to return. So here our main function is going to return some integer value. That's why we are going to write int and then the name of the function, which is main, then the pair of parentheses, and in between these parentheses we need to specify the arguments taken by this main function. But in this case the main is not going to take any arguments. Then the pair of curly braces we need to add. So these curly braces, we are going to write the statements that we want to execute. So whatever we write between these curly braces are considered as the function body. Since this is our first program in C++, we are not going to do anything fancy task, just we want to print something to our screen. For that we can use output stream provided by this IOStream header file, and that is called cout. Then the pair of less than symbol, which is called stream insertion operator, which we going to learn that is in detail in the tutorial on C++. And the double quotes, I'm going to write hello world and semicolon because every statement in C++ end with a semicolon. And the next thing we need to do is we need to return some value, because here we specified that our main function is going to return some integer value. So here I'm going to use return statement, and I'm going to return a value of 0. semicolon. And in a C++ program, return 0 indicates that this program has successfully executed. And once you write all these things, just save this and then run this program. To save this program, you can use Ctrl S, and or file section, just click on autosave. Here you can click on autosave, so this will automatically save your file before running. Now let's run this program by using code runner. As you can see, the hello world is displaying here. Alright guys, this is about the very first program in C++. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any doubt, don't hesitate to put a comment in this video. So I'll see you in next video tutorial.